Alright, I think we're getting somewhere. Getting better. Getting better. Can't replace the original Chovy. That's right. Chovy will be back. It'll be okay. We do miss him. But until then, we'll have to find somebody else to raid. So Chovy, if you want to choose somebody to raid, feel free to do so. I give you the honors. Yeah. Hanging out without any responsibility, without having to drive the chat. I mean, I understand. I do enjoy streaming, but I'm not as talkative as some other streamers, and I wish I could fill the space with unending chatter. But that's just not me. That's just not who I am. So I gotta work with what I got. All right, I think I like this knuckle. I think I like this, but work with the talents that God gave you. Work with the fish and the loaves that God gave you. Let God increase what you have. I'm just going to continue with the rest of this stick and then fix it after if I do need to fix it, then I'll fix it later. scribble, scribble. Straight scribble. Scribble, scribble, 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 scribble. All right, that's enough. We've done enough for today. It is time to read out. What's for dinner? That's a good question. I'm about to find out. Let's go find someone to raid. Let's see who's available. Jovi, you gonna pick somebody for me to raid? Oh, here we go. Mother Goose. Let's go see Mother Goose. All right, let's go put the raid command in the chat. Feel free to copy this command from my chat into Mother Goose's chat. We're going to start the raid now. Who is with me? We got 3 viewers ready to raid. Ah. All right. Thank you for being with me. Thank you, Five Luces, and thank you, Jovi, chatting it up. It always makes the stream better with chatters. So we're going to raid Mother Goose, that is, and we'll be back here on Thursday, 5:30 to 7. And until then, may the Lord be with you. Peace. Raiding now.